Hey guys, this morning I'm going to make a quick video for you on how I use the DXY to filter out my trades, my Forex trades. And so what I noticed last night is, and this is why I wanted to make this video for you guys, is that I was getting conflicting signals to take trades from my Forex pairs. So primarily I was looking at AUD USD, EUR USD, and USD CAD. So the common denominator in all three of those pairs is what? The US dollar. Okay, so that's where the DXY comes in. But anyway, so AUD USD, when I did the top-down analysis on these pairs, AUD USD is bearish. So I'm looking for sales. EUR USD is bullish, so I'm looking for buys. And USD CAD is also bullish, so I'm looking for buys. So what's wrong with that? So if you focus on the dollar, if you're looking for AUD USD to go down, then that means that the dollar is strong, or at least stronger than the Aussie dollar, right? The US dollar is stronger than the Aussie dollar, right? So that shows USD strength. If you're looking for EUR USD to go up, then that shows that the dollar is weak, not strong. And if you're looking for USD CAD to go up, then again, you're looking for the dollar to be strong there, right? Or at least stronger than the Canadian dollar. So if I'm getting an activation in all three of these pairs, it's not making any sense to me, right? Because one pair, one USD is giving me a signal to go down, the other one's giving me a signal to go up, and then the opposite here is true with USD CAD, right? So in this case, what I have to do is that's where I use the DXY or the dollar index fund to tell me what to filter out. And so, and I'm using the DXY. This is how I use the DXY, guys. And I'm using the DXY in this case because the dollar is the common denominator in all three of these Forex pairs. Now, if the common denominator is the yen, then you would pull up JXY. If it was the British pound, you would pull up BXY. If it was the euro, you would bring up EXY, right? If it was the Aussie dollar, you would bring up AXY. So there's an index for each one of the currencies. This is just the dollar one, DXY. So the dollar is bearish. The DXY is bearish right now. Okay. This is the 4-hour chart of the DXY. You can see the last break of structure here was to the downside, right? So this is our lower low right now. If this is our lower low, we are in a downtrend. This would be our lower high, which would be the area that would need to be broken for us to then change our outlook for the DXY to bullish. So right now, the DXY is bearish. So which one of these three pairs confirms that, right? So if you look here, just real quick in ChatGPT here, AUD USD sell is showing that the USD is strong, right? So that's not aligning with the bearish DXY, right? Now, EUR USD is showing USD weakness, and that does align with the bearish DXY. USD CAD is showing USD strength, and that does not align with the DXI. So in this case, when I'm getting different signals, I have to use the DXY to filter that out. So I would only want to trade, I would only want to take the EUR USD trade right now because the other two trades are not aligned with my outlook for the DXY. Now, if EUR USD was bullish, like it is, giving me a signal to buy, and let's say USD CAD was bearish, giving me a signal to sell, then that would be in line, right? Because the EUR USD trade going long shows weakness in the dollar, right? And the USD CAD trade going short also shows weakness in the dollar. So those two trades, if that would happen, would align. So in that case, I could take both of those trades. Now, I might reduce my risk a little bit because I'm putting my eggs, to speak, in one basket, right? Because more than likely, if one trade wins, the other trade's going to win. And conversely, if one loses, they're both going to end up losing. Now, there could be some small differences in the way they move, but overall, if EUR, if you want to take an EUR USD trade bullish, right? Because the DXY is weak, right? Then you would want the USD pair to ideally be in a downtrend, and you would want to take sales. So this is what I'm saying. So with this in mind, today, if I get any activations in AUD USD, EUR USD, and USD CAD, right? If I get activations in all three of these or two of those three, I'm always going to take the EUR USD trade. So I hope this video was helpful for you. It just shows how I use the DXY to filter out trades when I have to. Okay. And just to show you, I did mark these trades up last night. I did not take them, but just to show you what's going on here, the AUD USD trade would have lost. Because what happened was here at basically right after midnight, price did wick up here and it went through our invalidation zone here. So that trade would have lost. The EUR USD trade is winning right now, would be winning right now. And the USD CAD trade would also have lost. So I just showed you how I use the DXY to filter out the trades when I'm getting mixed signals on a specific pair, in this case, the dollar. And I just showed you kind of the proof in this example here of how that actually plays out in real time. Okay, so guys, if this video was helpful for you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. If you want to take our 7-day test drive of the trend trap strategy, let me know. I'll send you the link. Have a great day.